Okay, so if you have been looking for a baby monitor, one which has multiple power options, visually displays your baby's activity levels, and also has a bunch of additional great features, then the BY84 baby monitor from Beurer may be something for you to consider. So in today's video, we're going to unbox the BY84. Having a look at some of the features noted on the box of the BY84, we can see that the BY84 has a feature that will show you the activity levels of your baby. So depending on whether your baby is asleep, a bit restless, or awake and crying, you will visually be able to see that on your monitor. With this, you also have an 800 meter range within it works, and you also have a feature called range control. So if there is any drop between the signal connection between your monitor and the baby monitor, your monitor will sound a loud acoustic alarm to let you know that some signal has been dropped and you need to double check the signal connection between them both, which is a very handy feature to have on it. We also have the adjustable volume and adjustable sensitivity. So depending on how sensitive you need the baby monitor to be, you can adjust that appropriately, and depending on how loud you would like your monitor to be, you can adjust that appropriately there too. Looking deeper into the BY84, and we can see that this comes with a mode inside of it called the Eco Plus mode, and what that is responsible for are lower radio emissions between the devices and an increased power efficiency. Now inside here we also are going to get 16 pilot tones and 2 different channels, which will reduce the chances of any signal interference. We are going to have a 3-year guarantee with this device, so if there are any manufacturing defects with it, let us know about it and we'll be able to help you out with it. Another good feature to note inside of this will be that it has a handy belt clip, so if you are on the move around your house, or if you do need to clip it on a wall fixture near your baby, then that will help you out. Let's get into it and find out what items are actually included inside of this packaging. With everything opened up in front of us, we can have a look at it. So firstly, we have your instruction manual, very important for you to go through. It'll teach you how to set up these devices, maintain them, and also get the full functionality out of them. Next will be our power option. So firstly, we have a DC power option. So this is a South African 2-pin plug to your DC connector, which can power each of these monitors. Next will be your rechargeable battery. So you get one set of AAA rechargeable batteries, which, keep in mind, can't be exchanged for any other rechargeable battery. And it can only go into one of these monitors at a time. My preferred option is actually disposable batteries. Something like the Energizer Max AAA battery into both of these monitors would be the best option. Reason being is if there is an electrical outage during the nighttime, your DC won't provide any power into your baby monitor, and your baby could be in distress in another room without you knowing about it. So if you do get the disposable batteries, the monitors themselves have a low battery indicator to let you know when the batteries are low, for you to change the batteries in both of the monitors at the same time. Having a look at the monitors, and we can see that a yellow antenna signifies that that's your baby's monitor, and the white antenna signifies that that's your monitor. So having a look at the baby's monitor, and we can see that we have your microphone right here, screen right there, your channel 1 or 2 settings, and also your sensitivity dial that you can scroll up and down on depending on what level of sensitivity you would like from this side. You also have your belt strap or wall mount on the back of it, and your battery compartment right there. On your monitor, it's a very similar setup. You have your screen, which will show you your baby's activity. You have your speaker here, channel 1 or 2 settings with your volume dial on this side instead of a sensitivity dial, and your belt strap or wall mount, however you'd like to use it, along with your battery compartment on the back end, and also your DC input on this side. So that is the unboxing for the BY84 from Beurer. If you think I've missed out any information in this video, then please share that in the comment section so that we can get back to you directly. Alternatively, to shop or to find out more, you can head over to our website omninela.co.za. If you did enjoy watching this video and would like to hear more from me, then please leave us a like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'm Nicholas from Omninela Medical, reminding you to live limitless.